How to fix Instagram unable to load images from gallery. So to fix this problem, it's actually very easy. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone. This is the settings. Now go to the wireless and networks, and then turn on the airplane mode and disable it again. Go back, go to the apps manager on your phone, go to apps. Now go to Instagram app, and here all what you have to do now is go down to the storage option, click on clear data, and then clear cache. Go back, click on force stop to stop the app. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem is gonna be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more educational videos. See you later. Thank you so much.